Hello, in this video we're going to discuss particle colliders part 1, how to achieve an isotope. Firstly, the arrangement of the collider. The following things people need to be aware of with your collider. Firstly, you use plastic or glass tube. It's not big either, because remember it's a particle that you're colliding. Secondly, is inside the tube is vacuum, so that removes aerodynamics from the equation. Next thing is particle nanotech. So the particle is what you're accelerating. So you have to remove a single particle from a block. That single particle is what is accelerated through the collider. At the other end, there also has to be a particle that it collides with. Not a block, a particle. So at the other end, you have a single particle that is going to be collided with by the primary particle which is accelerated. Next to that tube is a second tube, which is the carbon tube. So a carbon particle is also fired simultaneously. Both particles arrive at the collision point at the same point in time. So the collision happens between the two particles plus a third particle, carbon. And the carbon bonds the particles, the new isotope, to another particle. So that's why we have carbon there. The accelerator has to be coded in order for it to accelerate faster than the speed of light. So you accelerate a single particle and it collides with another particle at the end of the run, while simultaneously carbon impacts the same point and that carbon bonds it to the next particle. So the particle, the primary particle, is fired down the accelerator and collides with the secondary particle, while simultaneously carbon arrives at the same point, at the collision point, and that creates your isotope. Then you don't need to move anything, you just fire a second particle down the accelerator and that collides with the secondary, while simultaneously carbon arrives at the same time, and this creates bonding between the two particles which will knit together the isotope. And so that is the arrangement of the collider. I'm the Archangel Daniel, and I'm from heaven.